Hey you guys, it's Malise and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're over here and we're gonna be cooking my sister. You see this pan? We got ingredients. We're gonna be cooking my sister a grilled cheese sandwich, and I'm going to be making me a quesadilla. Well, probably two quesadillas, but yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So yeah, and I'm gonna have you guys with me. This is my first time ever doing this, so my mom usually lets me cook sometimes or whatever, because I like to cook. But my mom usually lets me cook. So right now, I'm gonna put the butter on first. I'm gonna make Simi's grilled cheese sandwich. She calls it a grilled cheese sandwich for some reason. I'm not sure why. Oh, the butter is already sizzling, y'all. So hold up. Whoa! Like, it's already sizzling. Yeah, this is so cool. Okay. That's enough butter for now until I do mine. So, let me show you guys. Make sure you guys can see. See the butter is sizzling in there already? We just want to, get it all in there. Okay. So now it's done. So now what we're going to do is put the bread in there. And first we're going to let the bread cook, and then we're going to... Oh my god, the cheese is open. Anyway, we're gonna do the bread, and then we're gonna do the cheese. So I'll be right back because I gotta put that cheese up. So yeah, bye. Okay guys, I'm done, and my butter is turning brown now. So, whew, it's heating up till it smells bad though, yo. So I'll be right back. I gotta go do something in my sleep. Okay, I have to wash it off real quick because I'm gonna redo that. Because sometimes it's butter or whatever. So you don't want the butter to get too heated up. So shoot. Now you want to get the butter out. Okay. So now we have my butter out, and I gotta get this piece up right here. Ew. And then, so now I'm going to put the bread on.
It's too hot. About to start burning. Lower it down. Once you put it on high, and it's hot, and just lower it down.
With the foot. Okay, I got a flipper. I don't know what this is called. I don't know how to flip it though. And I'm gonna put the bread sit on there. Now I need to go get a plate. Okay, I just need a plate because it's heating up, so now we're just gonna flip it over. Take that, flip it over. Oh yeah, it's burnt. I mean, not burnt, but it's how it's supposed to be looking. That's how it's supposed to be looking. So I just gotta flip it. Now I'm gonna let it sit on the plate and then put that piece on, and then that's when I'm gonna put my cheese on that one right there. I'm gonna put my cheese on that one. So yeah. When I go to Whataburger, my sister always get the grilled cheese sandwich. So they be having all looking good and everything. They be having that bread toasted. So you want that bread to be toasted. I'm just gonna put this other piece on it, and that's when I'm gonna start spreading my cheese on there. Let me turn the camera a little bit more. Yeah, I mean spread a little bit more cheese on that. You're gonna press it down, and then look at it, flip it over. I'm gonna flip it over again because it wasn't quite like I wanted it, so I'm gonna flip it over again. Yep, y'all see that? So good. Y'all, are we? Oh yeah. Oh, there you go. That's there. It's a little heat thing. It takes a little heat. Okay. So that piece is done now. Looking good, toasted. So I'm gonna put a little bit more. I'm just gonna put the rest of the butter in there. And let it sizzle. chasing me? So now I have the bread and it's toasted like I wanted it. So that's how you want it right there. You want it that toasted. So now I'm going to put this in there.
It's too hot. Smoke everywhere. Yeah, I'm about to get out of there.
It's fine.
Jumps on the floor. This shit comes in mess.
A pizza? Oh. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it after you're done. You cut it. Ain't no cut it yet. Okay. Okay. Got the cheese on there, and now it's just melting right now. Then put the other slice on there. That's it. You're eating this? Turn it on. And now we're just letting the cheese back. So now the cheese is that's it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on a plate. Cheese is still melting, but that's how we're doing it. Now I'm going to pull this out. And then we're going to start on mine. Let's see after I clean this up. So I'll be back. Clean up up. And yeah, bye. Okay, got my pot clean. Simi's food is over here. I don't know if she's gonna eat it or not, but yeah. Cheese is melting pretty good. Honey. Coming back with him. Some fruit on her plate right now. So now we're gonna make mine.
Make more? Huh?
Don't make my quesadilla. I need my butter first. Excuse me, Sam. I'm about to put my butter on. Okay, so now letting that sizzle. I'm gonna put Boom.
But I mean a little piece of cut.
Oh yeah, I'm about to cut it. So now she wants her stuff cut. So gotta cut some. Move your hand. Okay, put it. I put some strawberries on.
Oh, cut the plate.
Oh, yeah, I'll put some strawberries on there. Okay, that is sizzling. Yep, we're going to put the tortilla on. And that's my dad.
Hey.
Okay, y'all. So, I didn't record the other part because my daddy was here. So, I was talking to him and stuff while I was doing it. But, let me just show you my quesadilla. This is the only piece of my quesadilla.